To ensure the Pentero 800S is folded compactly when moving it between rooms or simply parking the device in the surgery room, put the device into parking position. On the vertical arm of the device, you will find a sketch of the parking or transport position. Always start with putting the monitor in the right position by folding it back tightly. Fold the oculars back in so they are protected. Now move the arm and the head of the microscope by pressing one of the lower green buttons on the hand grips. The ideal parking position is reached when the horizontal arm is folded back behind the left side of the console and the objective lens of the microscope head faces the device. Switch off the device and unplug all cables connected to the device. To move ZEISS Pentero 800S, unlock all locking mechanisms and carefully move the device by holding the transport handles. After moving, fix the position with all locking mechanisms and make sure the device is standing securely. Push and pull on the transport handle to check.